You vlogger? You speaking Tagalog?
No, only English, little.
Okay.
Huh? Excuse me. May I ask a question? 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 Where is Danau City?
I want to.
Where?
Danau. English para to?
Where is Danau City?
Over there.
Maybe how many minutes?
Maybe.
Thank you, señorita. Can I ask one more question?
You vlogger? You speaking Tagalog?
No, only English, little. Così mi premera uno servizio con favor con di style bagno. Così mi premera uno servizio con favor con di style bagno.
I don't know. I don't understand.
By the way, ayun ko pabor con di favor Espanyol.
Okay.
Yeah. This is my first time here. I'm only vacation. I'm looking for restaurant. Where?
Looking for
Restaurant.
Oh my god! Restaurant. They have restaurant there. Oh, there are Susan's. You see the Susan's mall?
Yeah.
Now there are many restaurants.
Maybe how many minutes?
If you look at the Google Map ba? Google Map.
I have no load.
You see the Suns.
You have a recommendation is food? You have a recommendation is food?
Recommend?
Yeah.
Like Parola.
Parola. Yeah, recommendation is food. I like Pinoy food.
Pinoy food. Parola.
What kind of food?
They're having sinigang, like shrimp. Klase shrimp.
Okay. Naihumba dito, ma'am?
Humba?
Oh?
Magtaro ka rin. Vlogger kayo! You're pranking us!
Vlog mo ko, ma'am. Salamat kayo, ma'am. Asa mo na mo padung, ma'am?
Ato, mamahuli ka klaro mo kayo siguro bitaw ka kaya.
Ma'am, shout out sa mga followers, ma'am. Saya to ikasulti diya.
Shout out.
Salamat kayo, ma'am.
Sige. Camping.
Kaya ato na ko, ma'am.